Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the glitch text effect tutorial in Canva. So I already here on Canva and I already add an image and I want to add some text with a glitch effect on it. So what you guys need to do is click on the image and click on the plus icon below, and here go to text and click on add a text box. And here to edit text, just click on edit at the bottom, and here you can just insert your text. For example, I'm going to use this one and then I'm going to change the font first. I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to adjust the font size so that it become like this, and I'm going to put it at the top, close it. And to find the effect, you can just swipe in here at the bottom while you click on the text at the top, find effects, and then swipe until you find glitch, this one, and you can adjust it. Here you can adjust the offset and also the direction, whether it will go like this or like this. It's up to you and it's fit into your liking. So just I'm going to, you can also change between these two color combinations. Okay, I'm going to use this one, and here it is, the glitch text effects tutorial. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.